Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video we will understand how to print a solid rectangle star pattern by using function. So we are going to start with a new file and I am going to type first of all our header file #include stdio.h. stdio.h is a standard input output header file. Now we are going to declare a function to print any solid rectangle. So I am going to use void data type and then let's give the name as solid rect. So this is my function name and I'm going to use parameters as integer a comma integer b. So here integer a and integer b are my parameters. Now I'm going to write down in an opening and closing bracket two new variables. So I'm going to use integer I comma and j. So these variables are most important for each and every iteration of printing any asterisk sign. First of all, I'll write down for loop for I element. So I equal to 1 comma. If you want a repetitive instruction, then you can use a for loop. I will be less than or equal to a because a is my row and b is my column to print the rectangle, and I plus plus. So here I have updated I. Inside the bracket of I am going to write down one more for loop for the column that is my b. So I am going to write down for I equal to for j equal to 1 comma j must be less than or equal to b, that is my maximum length of column, and then j plus plus updation of j variable. Inside j bracket I am going to printf. So I am using printf, and that I am going to write down you have to print nothing but the asterisk sign for that much amount, and then after that here I'll use again one more printf statement to let the control to go to the next line. So I'm going to just putting /n. So here I have written these two. Now it's time to use integer main function. So write down integer main, and inside integer main we are going to use integer rows and integer columns. So the data type is same, so you can actually write down in this way: integer row and integer column. So first of all we will ask the user to printf how many rows and how many columns rectangle they want. So I'm going to use one more printf statement with a /n, and I'm asking them enter the number of rows. So I'm asking them for the rows number, and let's use semicolon here, and after that I'm going to use the same scanf statement to take out the value of how much rows the user wants. So let's use a %d, a format specifier of integer, comma and ampersand rows, which will allocate the same value to rows memory location. So let's just copy this for using this and for getting the value of columns. So instead of this I'm just going to write columns and then here ampersand columns. So two values I have taken from the user for that rows and columns. I am going to print a solid rectangle of asterisk signs, or we can say star signs. After that I am going to just use one more printf statement for the going to the new line. So here let's add one more /n printf statement, and now it's time to call our function. So what is the name of function written here is solid rect. So we'll just copy this solid rect. So I'm gonna copy solid rect, Control C. The same name we have to use, but here instead of writing parameters as integer a and integer b, I'm gonna write down rows comma column. So this is called as passing the arguments, and then for that we have to use a written 0 statement. So in this way we have written a program to print a hollow rectangle, and here I am going to print the rectangle as per the user's choice of rows and column. Let's save this file as testprint.c. So after saving this file, we are going to build this file. So here is the error. So I have written columns. So columns. So columns, and then let's just build it again. If build finished with 0 error, let's run this program. So first of all, it will ask you to enter the number of rows. I would like to have 8 number of rows, and then it will ask you the number of columns. Let's have a number of columns as a 16 and click enter. So here you can see 8 rows and 16 columns rectangle, a solid rectangle of asterisk sign is being printed. Now let's try with some another entities. Let's try a more entities, like we will have a column of or rows of 25 and a column of 45. So here is the biggest triangle, as you can see. The column and rows are 25 and columns is 45. So this way you can make a printing of a solid rectangle by using a function creation and by asking how much rows and column by user. I hope you understood today's program. Thank you.